Welcome back to Creative Glitter, and today we're going to do a squishy video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and share and leave some comments down below, and let's get on. So first squishy that I'm going to show you is this hamburger. So there's like some salami, I think, and there's a cucumber, there's like a little ketchup and mayo. Smell the best. Like when you smell it close to here, it smells horrible, but when you smell on the bottom, oh, my dreams come true. Okay. And my second one is the brownie. Doesn't smell like anything. I took all the paint off the raspberry, so it kind of looks like poo. So, yeah. And a little green leaf and some stuff. Here's one at Michael's, or I didn't find it at Michael's. I found it at our house, and like it's really weird, but like it's here. Look, I'm gonna show you something. This is a regular ball. It's not a squishy.
Hey, that's mine.
This is an actual squishy, and then I found it. But look at the difference. See, there's a big difference. So, I'm gonna switch cameras with my sister because she's taking a video of me. Oh yeah.
So, this is my squishy. This is a star thingy. I don't know what it's called. Star fruit. So squishy. It's so squishy. That's why it's called squishy. Hey, my squishy. That kid just showed you right now. Not really squishy. It's hard to squish. And this is a limited edition. It's so soft. That's why it's slow rising. Oh. And then this is like a thingy. What is this called? And this is bread. It's like, that's not real chocolate, but I wish it was so you could just stick it. And there's like little pieces cut. And it's so soft, so squishy. And I have nothing else in my bag. Let me put my squishies back in.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and share and leave some comments down below. If you guys like this video, please like it, and we'll give you some more videos. Bye.
Yeah, no, no.